What if I told you this famous restaurant-style bang bang sauce takes less than 1 minute to make and tastes better than store-bought? 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. In a mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup mayonnaise. Pour in 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce and mix lightly. Add 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce for that signature spicy kick. Now add 1 tablespoon honey to balance the heat with sweetness. Pour in 1 teaspoon rice vinegar for a fresh, tangy flavor. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder for extra depth. Whisk everything together for about 30 seconds until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy. Taste the sauce. If you like it spicier, add a little more sriracha. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little extra honey. Your homemade bang bang sauce is ready. Would you use this sauce on shrimp, chicken, or fries? Comment your answer below and let's see which one wins.